I have so many bags to talk about in today's video. Let's start. We have these huge boxes. I ordered 4 bags and I already own like 4-5 bags from Miragio. So this video is gonna be about the bags, guys. These bags are love and let's just see. Like new bags की मैं इतनी तारीफ नहीं करती हूँ अभी क्योंकि मुझे भी नहीं पता है क्या है अंदर and if they're actually that good जो कि वेबसाइट पे दिख रहा है. बट अमेज़ॉन पे बहुत ही अच्छी डील्स में मुझे बैग मिल गए हैं. सो आई वाज लाइक सो हैप्पी. लेट्स unbox them together. By the way, they send like in a really good packaging. This is our first hobo bag. This is a denim bag, guys. Okay. So आपको एक डस्ट बैग मिलता है जिसको आप बाद में अपने बैग को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड this is your denim hobo bag. I mean, how cool is this? मैं हट जाती हूँ ज़रा साइड से, but look at it. It has like faux leather on the sides and then it has denim here. सारा जो इसका detailing है that's like in silver and we have such huge space. Let me just take this out. See, this is such a spacious bag that you're getting. You can fit a lot of things. I think एक book भी आ जाएगी इसमें मेरी, like a normal sized book. Let's see if we can fit one. देखते हैं इसमें हमारी बुक आ रही है कि नहीं. Struggling. हाँ, बंद नहीं होगा but still we can fit इतना. You know, you can fit a notebook and you can fit your phone, your essentials, your AirPods and stuff. And look, bomb. I mean, look how smart this bag is. Hello, I absolutely love this. And this is not your normal like very small shoulder size bag. It's like a good spacious bag. And focus, my friend, focus on the bag. I will give you a proper try on and आप सब prices भी देख सकते हो. But yeah, this is our first purchase and I am genuinely happy. Like you can see how excited I am because it's just so cool. This is the next bag that we have. Again, dust bag है इसके साथ, of course. Oh, this is definitely one of the smartest bag. ये मेरी wish list में ना बहुत time से है and I think when I go to some like fancy events, you know, and तुमको एकदम shoulder bag भी carry नहीं करना होता है but like a formal bag. This is so classy. I mean, look at this. It's just, and by the way, you open it like this. Very classy and you get like a detachable long belt with it and इसमें आराम से guys आराम से इसमें तुम्हारा tablet, iPad वो सब आ जाएगा because it's like a medium sized bag. Look, this is very spacious and it is so classy now. Like, oh my god, who is she? But no, this is classy. If you have seen Office, I'm like, not classy. Anyway, alrighty, after 2000 years I've gotten rid of all the packaging and this is how the bag looks. एंड इसका जो ब्रांडिंग है ना वो इन्होंने पीछे की तरफ दिया है एंड देन दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स फ्रॉम द बॉटम. ऑल इन ऑल इट्स अ very स्मार्ट बैग एज यू कैन सी एंड goes with my outfit perfectly. I think everything will go with my outfit today because I'm just wearing all black, but this is love. Like it's so cool to open and close it like this. I feel love it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, this is our second purchase. Guys, मैं ना अभी थोड़ी सी ठीक हुई हूँ. मैं बहुत बीमार थी एक हफ्ते से ठीक है, इसलिए मेरी थोड़ी आवाज़ भी ऐसी है, बट these bags are just making me happy, you know. Now the bags that are left are like big sizes. I am wondering कि इसमें कैसे आएंगे. Let's see. Okay, so the one bag is missing. I have to find it if it's outside. But this is our third bag. I was not very excited about this, but this looks so smart now. Like it has a chain यहाँ पे पीछे, and this their logo. Then let's see how the handles are. These are the handles. So this is like your this shape. This looks so smart, like so smart. मुझे उम्मीद नहीं थी कि ये इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. And then we have, मैं दिखाती हूँ अंदर से, कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है ये. Like look at the partition. Partition के लिए इन लोगों ने chain use किया है, which is such a nice detailing. Love that. Of course it's removable. You can remove this as well. Alright, finally this is how the bag looks like. Look how classy, and this is how it looks from the bag. I think this will come in like a hobo bag category because it's not actually a very big tote, but the shape is super smart and different. You can see your girl is happy. This is the chain I was talking about, by the way. It has two side pockets, and then it has this, yeah, two side pockets.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Two side pockets, and it has this zipper as well on the side, and the material of the hardware used, like this chain and everything, is so cool. And you see, जो middle में chain था, I've removed this to show you like you can use it as a one big bag, but you can definitely do this just for your own happiness, I guess. Guys, now I feel कि वो एक बैग ना मिस हो गया है, एंड मैंने OTP भी दे दिया था. पता नहीं, मेरा कस्टमर केयर पे बात करनी पड़ेगी मुझे. बट दैट वाज लाइक अ रियली नाइस एनिमल प्रिंट बैग, दिस वन. एंड आई हैव टू सी, नीचे सिक्योरिटी के पास भी हो सकता है वो, बट या दिस वन सुपर स्मार्ट. एंड this is how it looks. Love. Okay, now let me show you the bags that I already own from Miragio, but I really want to recommend it to you because hello, they are amazing. So this is a black bag that I own from Miragio. This is super smart, basic, but not so basic because जो इसका chain है ना, it's super thick. And the best part about this chain ना, that it's detachable. तो ये मैं अपने काफ़ी दूसरे bags के साथ भी use कर लेती हूँ. And it is quite spacious. I use it a lot. तो इसमें मेरा सामान भी पड़ा हुआ है पहले से. But yeah, this is how it looks. It looks very classy and hot. I feel I love this bag, like बहुत ज़्यादा मैं इसको carry करती हूँ because I personally love such chain straps, and it is just my vibe and we love it. Let me know what you think. Okay, next bag that I have from Miragio is this one. Now this one is again very classy, basic colors like beige and you know, off-white and black ka combination, and you can of course wear this as like a, you know, crossbody bag, like normal your sling bag, like this. Okay, and then of course you can carry this by doubling the strap. तुम इसको of course as a shoulder bag की तरह भी carry कर सकते हो. मुझे बताना नहीं पड़ेगा तुम्हें, बट मैं इसको ऐसे ही कैरी करती हूँ. लाइक if you know me, you will know. And this is how it looks from the inside. It has these 3 compartments. बीच में एक zipper भी है, and then you have these 2 divided compartments, and side में there is 1 card pocket also. So again, super spacious, super practical, and is very classy looking. Love it, guys. Love it. Okay, next bag that I have, which is actually the first bag that I ever got from Miragio. It's this one. This is वेरी मच इन ट्रेंड लाइक टुडे ऑल्सो, लाइक अभी भी अवेलेबल है, बहुत सारे कलर्स में इनफैक्ट अवेलेबल है. लाइक जैसे ये टैन है तो इसमें तुम्हें ब्लैक फॉर लेदर भी मिलता है विद दिस ऑफ वाइट कॉम्बिनेशन. एंड दिस इज़ लाइक अ परफेक्ट बैगेट bag and it goes with, I'm not even kidding, almost all your outfits. But yeah, this is like, I love this bag. मतलब इसका थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है कि अभी पुराना हो चुका है क्योंकि मैं इसको बहुत सालों से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. लाइक आई थिंक इट्स बिन 3 years, but I still love this. This would always be my first Miraggio bag, and yeah, I love it so much. Last but not the least, we have this very tiny super cute bag from Miraggio. It's from their Miraggio X Demi collection, and this one is kinda impractical, I would be very honest with you, but I just got it because I mean, look how cute this is. Because of the size, I can still fit like one lip gloss and one card in this. But again, not a very practical bag. But of course, some things you buy just for the look of it and just because they make you very happy. And this bag does that for me. You can carry this as, again, like a crossbody bag. It looks so cute. I mean, but of course you can definitely carry it as just like a normal clutch bag. And this is how it looks. Let me know what do you think, and which one was your favorite bag. All the links are in the description box below, and the details regarding Amazon sale is also in the description box below. Make sure you check everything out, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, share it with your friends if they are also crazy about bags and just love investing in them or spending their money on cute bags. Then share it with them, and yeah, I'll see you super soon.